Can you say hi? This is Betsy playing in our laundry room. She's still 16 months old. She's almost 17 months old. Can you come talk to the baby? Can you tell the baby hi?
Hi.
Good girl. Can you say to the baby, look at that? Or are you saying baby? Can you say baby?
Papa.
Good girl. Oh, are you showing her how you can jump? Say jump. Good girl. Ooh, jump, jump. We found some lint on the ground. We really like dryer lint. Say, look at that. Just gonna make silly faces. There's your silly face. What's that? It's a pillow? It's a little tiny pillow? Hey Betsy, who are you sitting here with? Who's this?
My mama.
Yeah, your mama. Good girl. Okay. That's how she says bye. Bye to bye to bye to bye. Okay, say bye-bye.